Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about LOTO procedures. Let's jump right into it. LOTO procedures, also known as lockout or tagout procedures, are safety protocols used in industries to ensure that dangerous machines and equipment are properly shut off and not able to be started up again prior to the completion of maintenance or repair work. The procedures are crucial for protecting workers from the unexpected release of hazardous energy, which can cause injuries or fatalities. Key elements of LOTO procedures. Preparation for shutdown, identifying the type and magnitude of the energy that the machine or equipment uses. Notification of affected employees, informing employees that a lockout or tagout system is going to be utilized and the reason for it. Machine or equipment shutdown, turning off the machine or equipment using the normal stopping procedure, such as pressing a stop button or flipping a switch. Isolation of energy sources, physically isolating the machine or equipment from the energy sources. Lockout or tagout device application, locking and or tagging the energy isolating devices to prevent the release of hazardous energy. Stored energy release, releasing or restraining any stored energy, e.g., in capacitors, springs, elevated machine parts, etc. Verification of isolation, ensuring that the machine or equipment is disconnected from the energy sources by trying to start it and verifying it does not operate. Performing the maintenance or repair work, conducting the required maintenance or repair work on the machine or equipment. Removal of lockout or tagout devices, removing the lockout/tagout devices after the work is completed, following a specific order and procedure to ensure safety. Notification of affected employees, informing employees that the lockout/tagout devices have been removed and the machine or equipment is ready for use. Importance of LOTO procedures. Prevents accidents, ensures that machines and equipment cannot be turned on while being serviced. Complies with regulations, meets Occupational Safety and Health Administration requirements in the U.S., which mandate LOTO procedures for the safety of workers. Protects workers, reduces the risk of injuries from unexpected energy releases. Ensures safety and efficiency, helps in creating a systematic approach to maintenance, leading to better safety practices and efficient workflow. LOTO best practices. Involve employees, encourage worker participation in developing and improving LOTO procedures. Clear communication, establish clear communication channels among lockout team members. Regular audits, conduct periodic audits to identify and address potential LOTO violations. Emergency procedures, have a plan in place for unexpected emergencies. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.